Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramraj from LPM Public School and this school is situated in Gola Bazaar. Today our topic is money and I am your subject teacher of maths Aditya Vikramraj and you are watching my video on my channel Aditya Vikramraj. Now today our topic is money. Firstly we have to discuss what is money. Firstly, we have to know what is units of money. You know that there are two units in trade, that is rupees and a smaller. Rupees is bigger unit, that is, and the paise is a smaller unit. You know that you have seen money in the form of notes and coins. In India, the money used currency is called rupee. Okay, and you can write amount of money in two ways, as like in words and in figures. That's like there is a money rupees 3 rupees 50 paise. There is a money that is 3 rupees 50 paise. In words you can say that is 3 rupees 50 paise, and in words you can say that is 3 rupees and 3 rupees 50 paise. 3 rupees 50 paise. So you can write a amount of money in two ways, in words and in figures. Okay, and if the paises are less than 10, write a 0 after the dot. What I am saying, if the paise are less than 10, that is there are rupees 5 rupees 5 paise. Okay, that is 5 rupees and 5 paise. 5 rupees and 5 paise. What I am saying? I am saying that if the amount of paise is less than 10, write a 0 after the dot. If the amount of paise is less than 10, write a 0 after a dot. For example, 5 rupees 5 paise can be written as rupees 3.05.05 and in figures 5 rupees 5 paise. Okay, and now we have to learn conversion of units of money. Now we have to learn conversion of units of money. Conversion of units of money. We have to learn how we can convert money into one unit to another unit. Now we have to learn. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, and you know that there is an example. You have to convert rupees 30 rupees 75 paise into paise. You have to convert 35 rupees 75 paise into paise. Okay, firstly we know that there is in 1 rupee there are 100 paise. So we can say that is 13 rupees 75 paise. So we can say that is 13 multiply 100 and plus 70, that is 75 paise, and that is 75 paise. We know that is 75 paise. We know that the part of after the decimal, that is paise part, and the digit, that amount before the decimal is rupees. Okay, so that will be 1300 paise and plus 75 paise, that is equal to 1375 paise. Okay, there is another example. Therein convert rupees 18 to paise. Convert rupees 18 to paise. How we can convert rupees 18 to paise? Listen here. Firstly, we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So that is rupees 18 is equal to rupees 18 multiply 100, that is change in paise, that is 1800 paise. Okay, and now we have to learn converting paise to rupees. Converting paise to rupees. Now we have to learn converting paise to rupees. That is topic converting paise to rupees. Okay, there is first example. Example first, convert 675 paise. Convert 675 paise to rupees. Okay, listen here. How we can convert it? We know that there is 100 paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, so we can say that that is 100 paise. So we have to divide 675 by 100, and that is 6 will be remainder and 75 will 75 will be remainder and 6 will be quotient. Okay, so we can say that that is 6 rupees and 75 paise, and we separate it by a decimal, and after a decimal that is paise part, and before a decimal that is whole part, and that is rupee part. Okay, and now there is another example. We can say that, and now we have to learn handling money. Now the next topic is handling money. Handling money. The next topic is handling money. Okay, and now we have to learn handling money, and in this topic we have to learn addition of money. Addition of money. Addition of money. That is we have to add 70 rupees 50 paise and plus 30 rupees and 30 rupees 45 paise. Okay, now we have to add it, that is we have to write rupees 30 rupees and paise. We have to write different, and now we have to add them rupees and paise, and that is 70 rupees and 50 paise and 30 rupees 45 paise. Okay, that is addition. 0 5 5 5 4 9, and that is 0 and 7 3 10, that is 100 rupees 95 paise. And now the next is subtraction of money. Subtraction of money. Subtraction of money. We have to subtract 100 rupee 25 paise from 112 rupees 20 paise. Let's how we can subtract it. Listen here. That is we have to write first 122. That we have to write first rupees, and that is paise. 122 and 20 paise, and that is 125 paise. There is subtraction, so we have to subtract here 10 minus 5, that will be 5, and there will be 1, and that when we take 0, that will be 11 minus 2, 9, and here will be 1 minus 0, 1, and 2 minus 0, 2, and 1 minus 1, 0. That is rupees 21 and 95 paise. Now we have to learn multiplication of money. Multiplication of money. Multiplication of money. And now we have to learn multiplication of money. In multiplication of money, we have to multiply 46 rupees 84 paise from 8. Listen how we can multiply it. 36.84 multiply 8. 8 4 is 42, 2, 3 carry 8 is 64, 65, 66, 67, and we have to put decimal 8 8 are 64 and 67 6 carry, 8 6 are 48 and 6 54 5 carry, 8 3 are 24 and 5 29. That is rupees 29, rupees 29, rupees 72%. Okay. And now division of multiplication, division of money, division of money, division of money. We have to divide rupees 96 by 8. We know that 96 divided by 8, that will be 8 1 by 8 and 1 8 2 is 16. That is 12 rupees. That is equal to 12 rupees. Okay, rupees 12. Okay, that's it. And now we will meet in with new topic in next video. Thank you.